What up, everybody? I hope we have a good day so far. I just want to get a quick update in regards to dancehall artist Skeng. If you remember yesterday, I followed out because I get a tip that he was arrested at Norman Manley International Airport. There was an incident that him have with the police officers, and so them arrest him, and I think a couple of him friend him. Now, at the time, the media never really come out and say anything for at least a few good hours, so because we never have no concrete evidence, but I had a solid tip about it. And so in the evening, me see the media start report on it, and I gave details about the arrest. But them never going them except for the part as to why them just say him have an altercation with the security forces there. But based on my solid source, them they say is because of bleaching cream or bleaching products that were prohibited. You cannot bring it on the flight, and rather than just comply and give it up, him getting a situation with them which led him to be arrested. No, his lawyer came out and gave a statement, which shout out to dancehallmag.com. They did an article which I'm about to read it, and telling you what the lawyer have to say about the arrests. And right now, Skeng and him team, them desperately are trying to get him to Guyana because him have a show coming up very soon. So they're trying to figure out ways how to get him there. And the lawyer, went into details about the type of charges and the repercussions of what happened in regards to those charges. So I'm about to get into the article. According to dancehallmag.com, Skeng and his management and legal teams are working assiduously this morning to unravel the logistical challenges of jetting the popular dancehall artist to Guyana so that he can honor his booking commitments there. So according to his lawyer, it states that we're working on that. The flight to Trinidad is not the issue. The issue to Guyana is the issue because he has shows in Guyana too. If it is not done by the commercial airlines, we may have to charter a flight. So we're looking into the various options right now. And so that's from Christopher Townsend, Skeng's attorney at law. As Dancehall Mag previously reported, the protocol DJ was pulled up from a flight to Trinidad yesterday by police authorities after he got into a heated argument with a member of the port security. He was reportedly pepper sprayed. The 21-year-old artist, whose real name is Kevin Douglas, was charged for disorderly behavior and resisting arrest. He was offered bail and is to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew court on June 21st, 2022. Skeng has been confirmed as the headlining act for Botheration alongside Chanel Muir and Young Brother, set for May 27 in Guyana. He and two members of his entourage were expected to be on a flight to Trinidad and Tobago, where he is scheduled to perform for the first time. The 2-day event, called Revival, the Return of Dancehall, was scheduled to happen this weekend at Ranch Setters in Valencia on May 28th and at Space La Noba nightclub in San Fernando. Skeng was named the headliner for both dates, and those dates don't appear to be in jeopardy given that the charges are considered to be minor misdemeanors in nature. I do not anticipate that this will affect him traveling. The offense he is charged with are not fingerprintable and are petty sessions. From the conversations with the police, they are petty session offenses and do not carry jail time, Townsend said. So, people, that's what his lawyer has to say about, the charges. Basically, them say it shouldn't affect him in a drastic way. It shouldn't affect him traveling, but still, nonetheless, I'm an artist and it could have been a worse situation. So, I don't want them to kind of downplay it, for say, it's not really anything, because this could have been a way worse situation and could have affected him, traveling and working and making money, so he has to be mindful of all of that. Yesterday, The lawyer did make another statement. So and this is also by Dancehall Mag as well. It says our affiliate World Music Views spoke with SKENG'S attorney, which is Christopher Townsend, about the incident. And it says it was a simple thing that got out of hand. What happened, from the information that I received, the artist had checked all the way to the gate. There was an item that could not go in his luggage on the plane, in his hand luggage. He was asked to remove it in compliance with the rules and regulations that govern international flights. Townsend continued, after that, there was a rude comment from the security officer, not the police. Skeng responded to say that was rude. He never needed to do that. So, you know, based on a lawyer, he never said what the prohibited item was, but based on my source, it was either bleaching cream or bleaching pills. So, and you're not allowed to have that on the plane. But I don't see why him not just get rid of it. It can be replaced. I don't think it's that serious. Obviously me never did it, but that's what me I hear. It shouldn't have gotten out of hand, because that could have caused serious repercussions, especially if him can't reach his destination in time. So that's just the update I have. If anything else come out about this whole situation, I will keep you guys up to date. So let me know what you think about this whole situation. You feel like Skeng wrong, you feel like the security officers were wrong. So I have a next little Skeng related topic before my cut. So there's a video circulating where it appears he was in New York and gets stopped by the police, and them talk about the fact that I guess him have liquor on the street. And the thing is, I don't know if at every state, but for sure New York, it is illegal for you to have an open bottle of alcohol on the street. You can get fined, you can get a ticket. So I don't know if it's a case where him not know that, maybe him just no care. I don't know. I don't know if a video him shoot. Honestly, people may not know, but if it's a case where him genuinely not know, you have to do researches when you go into different countries, especially when you have things like a work permit at stake, you have commitment, you have visas. Them like something that you can't be too big to learn information, things that's gonna keep you out of trouble. Go ahead and check this out.
Baby girl, he's an artist, baby girl. Oh, we got the boost of fight artists too. Oh, you come on, man. He just came from whatever. Like, I understand, but the boost come on, baby, you too free for this, baby. Huh? He's drinking in public. But he's an artist. Doesn't matter. The rules are you guys gotta go into a private area.
So let me know what you think about that and what his lawyer had to say. Drop in the comments below. And if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always know when I drop content. And yeah, just share the video, like it. I'm gonna hope everybody have a great day. Big up on yourself. Do so flick it up and watch it dash up on the floor. Take a shot after the rum, you know me good for sure.